Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will be listing some famous websites that have been built using the Django framework. The first on the list is Instagram. I'm sure a lot of you may have used or heard about Instagram. Next, we've got Pinterest. It's another famous website. These are both billion-dollar companies. We've got The Onion. You may not have heard of it, but it's slightly famous as well. Then you've got The Discuss, Mahalo, NASA. NASA is the space company. And you've got Bucket, Event or Eventbrite. You've got Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a web browser. And you've got the Washington Post. So these are some of the famous websites that have been built using the Django framework. There's also a website that gives you a list of sites built using the Django framework. This is a website called djangosites.org. It gives you a list of websites that have been built using the Django framework. So these are those that have been notified that this website has heard of. So at the moment, they've got 5,147 listed as built with Django. So feel free to look through them. You may see some that may pique your interest. That's it for this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this will give you some inspiration to learn Django. Bye for now.